Gerald Levy, also known as Mr. Bogle, Father Bogle, and Mr. Wacky, was the mastermind behind dance moves that he invented while enjoying himself at Jamaican dance halls. Many friends and artists attest that Levy could effortlessly create interesting and memorable dance moves. Gerald Levy was born on August 22, 1964 in Trenchtown, West Kingston, in the capital of Jamaica. He was educated at Charlie Smith College, and spent a brief period at St. George's College. As a child, in the 1970s he appeared on Louise Bennett's television show Ring Ding, and in the 1980s, he danced on the Saturday evening television program, Where It's At, both on the Jamaican Broadcasting Corporation. Bogle was called the dancehall master and was best known for his dancing. He had the ability to seemingly create dances, without effort, and his dances would become extremely popular. Creator of the Willie Bounce named after Bogle's friend, and Black Roses crew member Willie Haggart, his other dances are Wacky Dip, Yurkle Dance, Sesame Street, Bogle Dance, Pelper, Loy, Jerry Springer, Zip It Up, Hody Hody Bogle, World Dance, Papia Collar, Roadie Boat, Out, and Bad, Sweeper, Stucky, and many other popular dances. He was also a major influence on breakout artists, such as Elephant Man, and Beenie Man, who gave shout-outs to Levy in songs like Roll Like a Boat, Say Mr. Bogle Have the Brand New Style, Come Get the Style, Come Get the Style. On 20th January he passed away from wounds. Bogle's work lives on throughout the dancehall community, as Jamaica's greatest dancer of all time. Many dancehall artists and dancers respect Father Bogle, and salute him in songs. Popular DJ Bounty Killer credits Bogle for making him want to dance. In 2005, the trio Voicemail had the hit single Wacky Dip on the Junkanoo rhythm, which included lyrics that have proven to be true thus far. Mr. Wacky is gone, but his dancing lives on. Elephant Man, who previously recorded songs for Bogle's dances, had the hit single Willie Bounce, which is by far one of Bogle's most popular dances. Buju Banton also recorded a song called Bogle Dance, which was inspired by Bogle. And in R&B singer Rihanna's music video Rude Boy, she is seen doing the Bogle. Bogle lives on in the hearts and minds of his fans and admirers.